Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate contacts in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Duplicate contacts can clutter your pipeline, split conversations across profiles, and make reporting less reliable. The good news is Pipedrive has a built-in tool that makes cleaning this up quick and safe, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, head to the Contact section from the left sidebar. If your navigation panel looks collapsed, use the menu toggle at the top left to expand it so all options are clearly visible. Once you're inside Contacts, look for the Merge Duplicates option and click it. This will take you to a page where Pipedrive automatically lists potential duplicate contacts. These are usually detected based on matching details like names, emails, or phone numbers. If you don't see any results, that simply means your contacts are already clean. If duplicates are found, click into one of the suggested pairs to review them. You'll be asked to choose a primary contact. Once you select the primary contact, click Preview. When everything looks good, click Merge. Pipedrive will combine the records and return you to the duplicates list, where you can continue cleaning up any remaining matches. And that's it. You'd successfully merged duplicate contacts in Pipedrive. Open Contacts, go to Merge Duplicates, select a primary contact, preview the merge, and confirm it. Taking a few seconds to review the preview carefully ensures your data stays clean, accurate, and reliable for your entire team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.